Okay. This camera was recording. I don't know why. So my grits are almost done. So what you do is basically after you cook your grits, make sure, and these are quick grits, again, make sure you turn off the heat, okay? Allow them to cool down. And that's nice and thick. That's how I want them. Allow them to cool down. Like again, I use my stock, and then I have my rendered fat that is melting. Okay, and I'll probably strain it because I don't want all those little pieces. You could put it in the masa. It kind of gives it a little bit more flavor. And those are like little cracklings in there and chicharrones, but it makes the masa good. So, and I have my rendered fat, which is melting, and then I have my corn husks, and then I'll show you on the next video how to put it all together. Okay.